Stushy, and it's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. Today I'm going to be using the new Bretman Rock palette with Wet n Wild. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so. Subscribe, like, and also turn on your post notification bell so that way you are alerted every single time I upload a new video. Let's get into the look. Hey gang, okay, so we're going to start off today's look. As you guys see, I already have one eye already completed. I'm going to go ahead and work on the second eye, going in with this red shade from the Bretman Rock palette. It's super cute, and I'm going to start packing that into the crease. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday so far. It is officially March 1st, so there are actually 7 more days until my birthday. I hope you guys are getting ready for the birthday vlogs, but just stay tuned. So now we're going to be going in with this orange shade. I'm going to work it right above the red that I put down. I'm just packing that on right above the red that I initially put down, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Going in with a little bit more of that red just to try to liven that up a little bit more because some of it kind of diffused out. So I'm going to add a little bit more red and actually work it a little bit into my outer V. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm actually not going for a super cut crease look, but I do want the shimmer that I put on top to be pretty pronounced, so that's why I am going in with a little bit of concealer first, just so that the shimmer that I put on top is it shows up really nicely. I'm going back in with that red color, and I'm again packing it in the outer V and just trying to blend it into that concealer a bit. Hopefully that makes sense, and just working it again in the crease. Now I'm going in with this pink shimmer, and I'm going to pack it on top of the concealer that I used to cut the crease. I'm sorry if I have a list, guys. I do have my eyeliners in. Y'all already know how that goes. Smile Direct. If you're interested, go ahead down below. There's a link in my description box. If you're interested in checking out Smile Direct, go ahead and check that link out. Just blending, and I'm adding a little bit more red just to blend the shimmer in nicely with that pink color that I put down. And just like that, we're moving into face. So BRB, let's get this face situated. As you guys can see, I already put on some lashes, and I did go ahead and pop Stush on. Now I'm working that purple color in my lower lash line, just kind of trying to pack that in my lower lash line. It doesn't really show up that much, but in person, like, you really did see it a lot more. Oh, and I did add a wing. And then I'm going to go ahead and use that orange and just blend that purple out just a bit. Overall, I really did like this palette. I ended up paying, I believe it was $15 for this palette, and I did use my $3.50 off at Ulta, so I did get a little discount on it. Gonna spray the face down and we're back. So this is the finished look. I did go ahead and pop on Stush on the lashes. I also added a black wing, and I did pop that color that you guys saw in my lower lash line. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to the outro, so I'm just doing this voiceover. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you watched last year's birthday vlogs, then you know I'm vlogging this year's birthday, so definitely be on the lookout for those vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next upload.